Hello, my name is Gene Kravchuk and welcome to a session called Claisen Rearrangement. The Claisen Rearrangement is not to be confused with the Claisen condensation. This is a powerful carbon-carbon bond forming chemical reaction discovered by Rainier Ludwig Claisen. This heating of the allyl vinyl ether will initiate a sigmatropic rearrangement to give an unsaturated carbonyl. This aromatic variation of the Claisen rearrangement is a rearrangement of the allyl phenyl ether to an intermediate which quickly tautomerizes to an orthosubstituted phenol, as we see here in this reaction. Let's see more into this mechanism. Okay, so we start with an ether here, and we use a lot of heat, 250 degrees Celsius, and we come to this product, which includes a phenol and a carbon chain with a double bond. So you ask yourself, how do you do that? Well, this molecule has to go through a rearrangement. So what we do is we take this part and we invert it this way to make it look like this. And then there will follow 3 steps. We see here that oxygen has these electrons. But we also see that there are a couple of bonds. So what we do is we have to break some bonds. So we put this bond over here. This bond goes this way, and this bond, it breaks and goes over here. And after that happens, we get this reaction. There's no double bond here. I had to kind of erase it. There's a hydrogen there, but there's also base in the solution. So we take this base and we attack the hydrogen, which would take the bond, break the bond, and go into here, which would make this a double bond. We get to this molecule and then we see an O- and an H in the system. So what we do is we take the O and we attack the H. And that would lead us to this product, which is exactly what we need. So this is the Claisen rearrangement. So to review, we have this molecule, and the part where the ether is connected to, we invert it to make it like that so we can start the rearrangement. There are 3 steps in the rearrangement, so we can see here. After this happens, we get to this molecule where we use the H over here to react with the base and give us back the double bond. And the O- will attack the H to get the OH back. And that will be your product. Thank you very much. That will conclude our Claisen rearrangement, and I hope that when you study for this, you will learn a lot, and you will know which steps to take and how to arrive to your product. Thank you very much for listening and watching the video.